Hey there, home cooks! Welcome back to another delicious and nutritious recipe session. Today, I'm going to show you how to whip up a delicious and hearty dish, cabbage with sweet potato. This is a perfect blend of flavors and textures that will leave you feeling satisfied and nourished. This recipe is perfect for a cozy dinner or a light lunch. Whether you're cooking for yourself or for your family, this dish is sure to be a hit. So let's get started. Gather all your ingredients and cooking utensils and let's dive into this culinary adventure. First up, the ingredients. You'll need 1 Chinese cabbage, also known as Napa cabbage. This type of cabbage is tender and has a mild flavor that pairs perfectly with sweet potatoes. But don't stress if you can't find it, regular cabbage works just fine. It might be a bit firmer, but it will still taste great. Next, we've got 2 ounces or about 1/3 of a cup of quinoa. Quinoa adds a nice texture and is packed with protein, making this dish even more nutritious. Then 1 onion, 1 garlic clove, a cup of mushrooms, and 1 small sweet potato. These ingredients will add depth and richness to our dish. For seasonings, you'll need half a teaspoon of Italian herbs and salt to taste. These will enhance the natural flavors of our vegetables. And if you're in the mood for some extra flavor, I've got an optional sauce recipe coming up too. Trust me, it's worth the extra step. Alright, let's dive in. First, rinse and cook your quinoa according to the package instructions. This will ensure it's light and fluffy, perfect for mixing with our veggies. While that's cooking, peel and dice your sweet potato into small cubes. The smaller the cubes, the quicker they'll cook, and the better they'll blend with the other ingredients. Then, chop up your onion, garlic, and mushrooms. These will add a wonderful aroma and umami flavor to our dish. And don't forget to slice your cabbage into thin strips. This will help it cook evenly and blend well with the other ingredients. Now heat a large pan over medium heat and add a splash of olive oil. Olive oil will give a nice rich base for our sauté. Toss in your onions and garlic, letting them sauté until they're fragrant and golden. This is where the magic begins. Next, add in your sweet potato cubes and cook for about 5-7 minutes until they start to soften. Stir occasionally to ensure they cook evenly. Then, throw in your mushrooms and let them cook down. Mushrooms will release their juices and add a savory depth to the dish. Once your veggies are looking good, it's time to add the cabbage. The cabbage will add a nice crunch and freshness. Stir everything together and season with your Italian herbs and salt. Make sure everything is well coated with the seasonings. Cook for another 5 minutes until the cabbage is tender but still has a bit of crunch. You don't want it to be too soft. Finally, mix in your cooked quinoa. This will add a nice texture and make the dish more filling. Give it a good stir and voila! Everything should be well mixed and ready to serve. Your cabbage with sweet potato dish is ready to go. It looks beautiful and smells amazing. Now if you want to take it up a notch, let's make that optional sauce. This sauce will add an extra layer of flavor that's simply irresistible. Blend 2 white onions, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and salt and pepper to taste. This sauce is creamy and tangy, perfect for drizzling over our dish. Drizzle this over your dish for an extra burst of flavor. It's the perfect finishing touch. And there you have it. A simple yet satisfying meal that's packed with nutrients and flavor. Feel free to experiment with your favorite herbs and spices to make this dish truly your own. Cooking is all about creativity and personal taste. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking. I hope you enjoy making and eating this dish as much as I do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. See you next time.